Yeah, so we will go for access control. Access control is most important with respect to giving rights, with respect to giving permissions to access specific hard drive, specific resource, printer, scanner. So access control is a very important part of the operating system, basically. So protecting memory is a specific case of more general problem of protecting objects such as memory, shareable input-output devices. Shareable input-output, you know, already know about what are the input-output devices of computer. So serially reusable input-output devices such as printers and tab grabbers you have, and moreover shareable programs and sub procedures we have it, and networks and shareable data. So protecting objects are more complex than the memory. Okay, so memory was the easy task, they said it, but like other projects, objects, these are more complex. How to protect the objects over this objects. When I say objects, it means other input output devices we have it, and storage devices. Access control, there are three generally goals for access control. And the first most important was to check every access, okay, in order to disallow revoked access. Like for example, you have to check every access who is accessing what kind of resources, basically. Second was enforce least privilege. Okay, for example, sometimes you want to give least privileges to some subject. Subject means the user. So allow access to the smallest number of objects to perform a task. So sometimes, for example, if a person he just want to access printer, or he just want to access the one drive only, so they should be only given that access to that folder, specific folder or specific resource over there, not all the printers of an office, not all uh, the the memory of the office over there, right? So enforce least privileges. Okay, why? Because sometime they may see the other documents over there. The third is verifiable acceptable usage. Okay, sometime you don't give permission, but sometime after verification you can give the permission. So restrict types of activity performed on an object. Sometime on some object they will have a permission to read it. For some they will have like only writing. Okay, sometime execution. So it depends from object to the object.